EcoFlex Electrified Mortise Lock is very much a case for what's possible. The Living Products Certification is the world's most advanced and transparent third-party product certification. The process to certify the EcoFlex Electrified Mortise Lock as a living product took over 3 years. This process was time and resource intensive, but it was also a process that a cross-functional team was incredibly dedicated to. The Living Product Certification is administered by the International Living Future Institute. This organization runs the Living Product Challenge, which the EcoFlex Electrified Mortise Lock was recently certified with. This organization administers the Living Building Challenge, which is the most rigorous and stringent green building certification program in the entire world. ASSA ABLOY is committed to providing products and solutions that support the Living Building Challenge. We do this by putting our products under the microscope and being completely transparent about where a product came from, how it was made, and what's in it. The Living Product Certification of the EcoFlex Electrified Mortise Lock demonstrates to a demanding industry that ASSA ABLOY stands behind its progress in sustainability. ASSA ABLOY is dedicated to the optimization of its products and stands behind innovation and sustainability as cornerstones of our organization.